welcome back to another video. You know, it's your girl Tony from Tonii'z Diary, and in today's video it's not gonna be long, but yeah, I'm going to get exactly what you're seeing in the title. Ooh, well, I'm running late and I'm actually on the plaza, which I'm going to be getting this laser tattoo removal done. However, I'm a little bit late, but I wanted to kind of start out the video and have a little moment with you guys to, you know, inform you why I am doing this in the first place. I removed one already, a very small one, because I wanted to test how it felt, and also how easy the healing process is, and so on and so forth. So hence why I started in the beginning of 2025. Now it's 2026 and we're in the 6th month, and I decided that I'm going to remove 2 more of my tattoos one time. Okay, so I have this dove on my arm, my wrist rather, that I got with a friend of mine, like a sister tattoo. Yes, I got this with her. She has the same one, and I have my name, which is Tonii'z, right here, which my watch normally hides, but I'm uncomfortable with it, so I'm definitely going to get them removed now. Okay, now you might ask, why is she doing this? It's already there. Listen, if I could change the hands of time, these would never come on my body, literally. Okay, I'm a masterpiece. I don't need to mark up what God has already done, and I don't feel comfortable, especially when we are in my church clothes, especially with this one here. It feels so uncomfortable, and then sometimes you're in church and persons are looking at you like, you know, and this is a part of my past, but it still taunts and haunts me to this day. Anyways, so I am here now, and I'm going to go upstairs to start this process. I need at least 4 to 8 rounds. I'm looking at over 100,000 right there, so you know how it go. Yeah, after this I only have 2 more to be removed, and I'm done. Finito. Let's go. I don't know if it's enough now, man. There's a time for everything, and I need a change. Oh, Lord.
You never know when you call the Lord name 2 times.
Yes.
You ask about Penny, right? Yeah. Oh, Jesus Christ. Yeah,
Oh, God.
Jesus. No, it's not that bad. It's not. I mean, it is bad,
But not that bad. So do you give persons like something to hold, or?
It's Saturday. So hold on to your Saturday. You could.
Oh, Lord.
I'm not helping. I'm sorry.
All right.
You're just so. Usually hurt a lot more. Including with a numbing cream that takes about 45 minutes to an hour to start. With this prior machine, you cool the skin, cool the area, so it takes down the pain a lot.
Okay.
And the person didn't want to send me Pepsi.
Why?
So every day you come in here, you want Pepsi alone. Pepsi is not good for you. I'm like, come on, you can't tell me I can't get a Pepsi. Girl, tell me. We're working on it.
But based on the paper that I read, I kind of like, with it come like, I don't know,
Why are you taking it off?
scared.
Why are you taking it off?
Tired of it. I hate them.
You never thought of cover up?
I don't want anyone.
Okay, so you just don't want the judgment. We live in Jamaica, which is a very judgmental society.
It is.
This one is going to go before this one.
So I had to mute this part of the video, guys, because the doctor, he was playing music, and you don't know how the old copyright thing go on YouTube, so I had to mute it. But this machine that he was using, I'm not sure of the name, but he was actually using it to cool the area, to confuse the brain or to trick the mind that, hey, a laser is going to be placed on the skin. So what it does, it cramps the spot, and then when he starts with the laser, it just kind of make it feel less, I'm not gonna say I wasn't feeling it, but it was less painful than not having it. And in the past they used to use like numbing cream, but this high-tech machine that they use to cool the area, it makes it 10 times better. So kudos or kudos or whatever word they use, because let me tell you something. You see, back in the days, persons had issues to remove their tattoos. Now you can literally make a mistake and correct them with a few sessions. So but I still wouldn't recommend, and I still wouldn't suggest it. Just don't do it. It's not good. It's in the Bible. Just stay away from certain things. Sin is sin. And yeah, let me make those mistakes for you, especially young people. Don't do it, please. It makes no sense. And yeah, it just don't make no sense. All right. But like I said, the music was in the background and I don't want to be copyrighted. I had to talk for this part of the clip because I wanted y'all to see what's going on. However, I'm going to allow bits and pieces of the layers of sound, and especially when I was in pain. I'm gonna leave that in. I let go and I let go. That's when things start happening. I stop looking at back. Let go, let it go, let go, let go, let go, let go, let go, let it go, let go, let go, let go. Oh, why can't you let go of the pressure of living up to their standards? For they were not there when the Father formed you in his hands, cause he has the plan. He has your life in his hands. Just because you haven't seen it doesn't mean it's not there. Cause I know you tried it on your own, but you can't walk alone. You kept it on inside. It's time to let it go. So let it go, let it go, let go, let go, let go. There's no pain. I noticed that.
Targets to that.
Two more. What is?
Well, you'll really know after the first one to see how it heals up.
Oh, okay.
Hold on.
Oh, Jesus. No, this one hurts more.
Let's cool it down.
Why does this one hurt so bad?
Let's cool it down.
Glory.
Tell you to call Jesus as coming. Oh, you did say that.
Oh my gosh, that one. This one is fine. But maybe it's because my veins are here.
No, maybe we'll just cool it down. Then I'll bring it down.
Okay.
Lord, I'm tired of running, yeah. Cause every time I run, I seem to fall, yeah. I wanna go back to the way we used to be. What if I come back right now? Will you still speak? I think I ran just far enough. I think it's time to embrace love. Who could love me through my highs and lows? Who can make me feel so vulnerable, oh Lord?
Bobby, may I get it removed? It's hot.
Who can hear for fields?
That's right. Anybody can hear fields.
Oh.
Let me see.
I don't
Unless you want to say.
Ooh.
Yo. Did I come on, man?
Mm-hmm. Thank you, Jesus. Mommy, may I remove your name soon, do you know? So go and enjoy where I live.
She's like, go ahead.
She didn't like it at first. Because I never tell her to put out the name. She's a handful. That's it. I'm excited. They're off. Back at the one and only Healthy Crush in Portmore. I remember telling you guys about them, you know. Just give me something nice. Me now gonna tell you what you give me. So you can come here and get your. I already showed you the screen already in one of my vlogs. Oh, I'll pin it down below. So if you want to see the menu, you can see it. They have fruit blends, smoothie, meals, like I said, food. They have superfood shake, healthy juices, and refreshers. And I'm depending on her to give me something sweet. I'm not watching any diet today. Like, you know, I just did these and I'm in a little pain. So I'm gonna just drink something sweet and just enjoy life. Yeah. Celebrating removing 3, and I have 2 more to go. So you know it come down. I'll see you guys soon. Alright guys, so I'm literally walking towards the car now. Feeling, you know, having a lot of thoughts, you know. When you're young, you know, you do a lot of things that I am pretty sure you regret. Maybe not the tattoos, because some persons are attached to it and they have meaning. Mine, they had no meaning. Only my mother's name, of course. Which I told her I'm going to remove, and she was like, yeah man, no problem. Because she was like, me never tell her to put her name in the first place. So if you have to move it, move it. But it's the beginning of something new. I'm excited that I started this journey. I have at least 4 more sessions, because you know it's not gonna be removed after 1 session, of course not. But you know, he gave me my heads up on everything that I should look forward to, with the blisters, you know, sign a paper with everything. Sometimes it causes hyperpigmentation in the area, abnormal hair growth and stuff. It's fine, because where they're located, I don't have a problem with that. But your girl has started the process of removing her tattoos. You know, I'm a woman of my words. I made a few mistakes when I was younger, but the older I get, I make promises to myself that I will right all my wrongs, I will dot all my I's, and I will cross all my T's, and you know, learn from my mistakes. And that's a wrap. I am back in the car. I'm feeling refreshed, I'm feeling revived. I felt like this was needed. Okay, I'm literally feeling new. Like 10 million load lifted off my back, you know. So I am grateful for that. I must say before I end this video, if you have made it this far, thank you guys for coming, thank you guys for tuning in. It means a lot. As you know, this is my digital diary, so these are things that I'll have to watch for a lifetime, and what I love about it is that I can share it with you guys. So being that I can share my journey, I just want to say to every young person's out there, I'm not saying that your journey will be my journey or my journey would be similar to your journey, but what I can say is that as young people, think about the decisions that you make. It doesn't have to be tattoo alone or piercings. It can be anything. It can be your virginity that is so sacred to you. You know what I'm saying? It can be your freedom by going out there and robbing and killing and putting yourself aside, like literally giving up your life, whether you want to die or lock away for 20 or 30 odd years of life, you know. So these are things that you need to put into consideration. When we are young, we live for now. We want to enjoy the moment, we want to have fun, we want to do some crazy things to say, hey, I'm in the hype life, I'm living it up, I'm enjoying life, yada yada yada. But there comes a time when you're going to say, if I knew, I wouldn't have done this, or if I had somebody to talk to me, I wouldn't have done this, or if I was thinking, I wouldn't have done this. And of course, if me did know, always come last. Alright, so use my story as an example. I've made a promise to myself that I'm changing a lot of things about myself. The older I get, I am undoing all the things that I have done that broke me. Hence why I say I'm breaking what broke me. I'm not gonna be a slave to my past anymore. I'm moving forward, and in order to do that, there are some little things that I needed to do to set the pace for my future. So thank you again for watching, and I can't wait to see you in the next video. Stay tuned. Bye guys. Mwah.